Hello everyone, let's continue our discussion in this episode where we left in the last episode. We are discussing fundamental operations. So, moving into the next problem, simplify. First sum, it is given as 3m plus 12m minus 5m. So, first we simplify these two. 3m plus 12m, that is equal to 15m, same sign, so we need to add. So this is equal to 15m minus 5m. 15m minus 5m is equal to 10m. So answer is 10m. Opposite sign, we subtract 15 minus 5, that is we are subtracting the numerical coefficient. 10, 15 is bigger, so it will take the sign of 15, that is positive. This problem, 7n square minus 9n square plus 3n square. So either you can simplify these two and then you can go simply add with 3n square. So 7n minus 9n square, opposite sign, plus minus. So opposite sign we need to subtract. So 9 minus 7 is 2n square. 9 is bigger in magnitude. What is the sign of 9? Negative. So the result of these two is minus 2n square plus 3n square. Now again opposite sign, negative, positive. We need to subtract. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. N square. 3 is bigger in magnitude. What is the sign of 3? Positive. So result is 1 n square, or we can simply write n square. Clear? Moving into this problem. Minus 5ax square plus 7ax square. If you simplify these two, minus 5ax square plus 7 minus plus opposite sign, what we are doing? We are subtracting the numerical coefficient. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2ax square. 7, 5 and 7 is bigger in magnitude, so sign will be positive. So answer of these two terms is 2x square minus 12ax square plus minus opposite sign. So we need to perform subtraction of their numerical coefficient, that is 12 minus 2. It is equal to 10ax square. Now 12 is bigger in magnitude, so it carries the sign of negative. So result is minus 10ax square. Clear? Moving into this problem, we need to separate the like term am, 4am, 5am. So these are the like term. So we write together. So minus 16am plus 4am plus 5am plus 4mx and 15mx are like terms. So we write 4mx minus 15mx. If we simplify, if we process the same thing, so minus 16 plus 4, opposite sign, so we need to subtract. 16 minus 4 is equal to 12am. 16 is bigger in magnitude, so result will carry the sign of those numerical coefficients which are bigger in magnitude, that is minus 12am plus. Now if you simplify, 12, 4 minus 15, opposite sign. So 15 minus 4 is 11. So 11 mx, 15 is bigger. So result will carry the sign of 15, which is minus 11. So minus 12 am plus of minus, that is minus 11 mx. So my advice to you is go through one term, simplify. You need to remember the basics. That means why we are going to perform this and how we are going to execute our basics, what we learned in the last 2 episodes. Let us discuss this problem. Find the sum of these 3 terms are given. So first we write this as 3a plus 5b plus 2c plus 2a plus 3b minus c plus a plus b plus c. So what we did? We written all the 3 terms with the plus sign in between. Am I clear with the first step? You write all the terms, given terms in between. You need the put up the plus sign since we need to find out the sum, addition. Now we rearrange the term where we kept all the like terms together. 3a plus 2a plus a. We keep these 3 terms together because they are like terms. 3a plus 2a plus a. 5b plus 3b plus b plus 5b plus 3b plus b together, and then 2c minus c plus c plus 2c minus c plus c. Now for your clarification I am just giving this sign to explain you. Clear? No need to give the sign, or for your convenience you may use the sign. Okay, these are the like terms, so you can give different symbols and then try to avoid a mistake. I am giving you this sign to explain to you. Second thing you need to remember, I have not made any changes in sign. Plus 2c, see I am writing plus 2c, minus c plus c. So while rearranging the terms, you cannot change the sign. Am I clear? All 3 are same sign, so we need to add same sign, always be added, and we are adding their numerical coefficient. 3 plus 2, 5 plus a means 1a, so 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6a. 5 plus 3, 8 and 1. B means 1b. So 5 plus 3, 8 and 1. So this is equal to 9b. Plus and minus c will cancel each other because they are equal and opposite. So whenever numerical coefficients are equal and they are opposite in sign, you can cancel it directly. So plus 2c. Moving into this problem, so first we write these 2 terms and we put plus sign in between because we need to add. So 4x square plus 8xy minus 2y square plus 8xy minus 5y square plus x square. What is our next job? Next, we need to separate and rearrange the like terms together. X square, like term. So we'll keep these two terms together. So 4x square and plus x square plus 8xy plus 8xy. Minus 2y square and minus 5y square. Clear? Now we'll perform the operation. Same sign, add. So 4 plus 1, 5x square, 8 plus 8xy plus 8xy, same sign, add. So 16xy minus 2y square minus 5y square. Same sign, both are negative, so result will be negative. Minus 2 plus 5, 7. So minus 7y square. Sometimes friends commit this mistake, minus, they will plus and then they add. Don't commit those mistakes. Same sign, we need to add. We are not performing the multiplication. Multiplication we will discuss separately and we will discuss how the sign change will occur there. In case of multiplication, our discussion, let's solve these two problems. So first, what I told you, write the terms putting the plus sign in between. So we write 9ax minus 6bx plus 8 plus, we write the next term 4ax plus 8bx minus 7. Now we put the plus sign. Since all signs are negative, so no need to change the sign. Plus sign will not affect this sign. So minus 6ax minus 4bx minus 3. Clear? If you kept it in bracket, your outside sign is plus, inside sign all three are negative. So whenever there is a plus sign outside the bracket, it will not affect any sign within the bracket. So when you open up the bracket. So we write all the terms. Next thing, we need to rearrange the terms and keep the like terms together. So what are the like terms? ax and ax. So we'll write these three terms together. So 9ax plus 4ax minus 6ax. Next is bx. So minus 6bx plus 8bx minus 4bx. See, I am writing all the like terms together. And then constant 8 plus 8 minus 7 minus 3. I am not make any changes in their sign. Nine plus 4, same sign. So we need to add 9 plus 4, 13ax minus 6ax. Clear? Now see, these two are of same sign, or rather than you prefer to be what we discussed earlier, minus 6bx plus 8bx, opposite sign we need to subtract. So 8 minus 6 is 2, 8 is bigger, so it will take the sign of 8 which is plus. So result will be plus 2bx minus 4bx. 8 minus 7, that is equal to 1. 8 minus 7, 1. So plus 1 minus 3. Opposite sign, plus minus, subtract 13 minus 6, 7. 7ax. Now check the sign, 13 is bigger, so sign will be positive. 2bx minus 4bx. So minus 4, opposite sign, subtract. So 4 minus 2, 2, bx. 4 is bigger, so sign will be of 4, that is negative. 1 plus 1 minus 3, that is equal to 3 minus 1, opposite sign, subtract 3 minus 1, 2. 3 is bigger in magnitude, so it will take the sign of bigger number, minus 2. Let's move into this problem. So write the terms. First, putting the plus sign in between all the 4 terms. So 4x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1 plus 2x cube minus 5x square minus 3x plus 6 plus x square plus 8 plus 5x cube minus 7x. See, I am writing all the terms, putting the plus sign in between because we need to perform the addition. Next is, we need to separate the like terms and kept it together. So 4 cube, 2x cube, 5x cube. So we need to write these 3 terms together. So 4x cube plus 2x cube plus 5x cube. Square term together. Square term together. So plus 2x square minus 5x square plus x square. Next, x. These are the like terms. So we write these 3 terms together. So minus x, minus 3x, minus 7x. Moving into the last constant, plus 1, plus 6, plus 8. So plus 1, plus 6, plus 8. Now we simplify. All 3 are positive, that is the same sign. So we need to add 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. So 11x cube. 2x square minus 5x square. Opposite sign. Subtract the numerical coefficient. So 5 minus 2, 3. 5 is bigger. So it will take minus 3x square. That means we are simplifying these 2 terms. So we write plus x square. Now see, same sign. All 3 are negative. They need to add together. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So minus 11x. All positive, that is same sign, we need to add together. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15. Just one more step to simplify this one. So 11x cube minus 3x square plus x. Opposite sign, subtract 3 minus 1, 2. 3 is bigger. So answer will be minus 2x square minus 11x plus 15. Clear? So, basic algorithm or process to solve whatever terms are given to you, write those terms putting plus sign in between the terms which we are supposed to add. Then separate the like terms, write it together and perform accordingly. This is the as simple you can remember the entire. Now moving into the next problem, we need to find out the sum of x and 3y. So x and 3y, x, y, unlike term. So your answer is x plus 3y. Do not commit the mistake by adding these two. Sometimes we check the students are writing as 3 plus 1, 4xy. No. Unlike term, we leave our answer there only. So minus 2a and 5. So answer will be minus 2a plus 5. Or you can write the positive sign first. So 5 minus 2a. Anyone. You can leave it here or you can simplify it. X cube plus 3x square and 2y square. X cube, x square y, y square. Unlike term, so your answer is x cube plus 3x square y plus 2y square. Because in all the sums we have seen unlike terms are there. Unlike term means we just need to perform the operation and leave it here. If suppose two terms are same or like term, then we need to simplify. Now let us discuss this problem. The two adjacent sides of a rectangle. Now for your explanation, if you draw a rectangle, rectangle means two sides are opposite sides are equal. So two adjacent side means suppose A, B, C, D is a rectangle. So adjacent sides are AB and AD are adjacent side. AB and BC are adjacent side. BC and CD are adjacent side, or DC and DA are adjacent side. So two adjacent sides are given as 6A plus 9B and 8A minus 4B. Two adjacent sides are given as 6A plus 9B and 8A minus 4B. We need to find its perimeter. So perimeter means formula of perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. So this is equal to 2 into length is 6A plus 9B plus 8A minus 4B. 2. Same way, first these two are the like term, so they need to be added because of the same sign. So 6 plus 8, 14A, opposite sign, subtract 9B minus 4B is equal to plus 5B. Now if you multiply, so 2 into 14, that is 28A, 2 into 5, that is 10B. Perimeter, so answer will be this much unit. Now suppose if it is given that perimeter of triangle, so perimeter of triangle, perimeter means it is the length of the outer boundary, total length of the outer boundary. So total length of outer boundary. So in case of perimeter of a triangle, perimeter will be equal to sum of its three sides. Sum of length of its three sides. So three sides, if the three sides are given to you, you just need to add these three. So this much in this episode. In next episode we are going to discuss the subtraction and we'll take few more sums to clear your doubts. Thank you.